a beautiful giant, what looks like an Astelia. I was wondering what this one is. Look, they look like lychees. See those fruits? They do seem to look a lot like lychees to me, although obviously I could be wrong. Oh, there's Astelias here, incredible. Look at the size of them. Pretty unremarkable leaves. A beautiful cabbage tree here. See the flowers up there. This is Griselinia, I think. This little ground covery jobby here is a hebe. You can tell by the way the leaves kind of form on alternate sides of the stem, always pretty symmetrical. You can see it better on that one. Makes like a cross shape. And the new leaves are often covered with the old leaves and this little bud. They develop like that. And the flowers as well, they're very distinctive flowers, hebes. Look at it here, a great ground cover plant. These flowers seem pretty popular with the butterflies. Some nightshade growing in there. Look at that. It's living a field day. This one here with this kind of flaking bark is a Manuka or a Kanuka. Can't quite see the leaves, but it's a New Zealand tea tree. It's where Manuka honey comes from. You can tell the difference if you can feel the leaves, because the Manuka has more spiky leaves and Kanuka's leaves are softer.